Morning everybody, this is Dave Castine with Vintage Cars Online with another beauty 1941 Chevrolet pickup truck, half-ton, unbelievable condition, obviously restored, great colors, great paint, super straight, reflections are amazing. You can see a lot of the reflections in the video along with the pictures that I've taken. Straight 6-cylinder engine, pneumatic shocks, helper springs in the back. See how straight this is. Look at that paint. Oh, it's got AC. Cool bed. Advertising, vintage of the day. Look at this woodwork and the stainless. Impeccable. Window works, door locks, door handles work, everything's operational. Emergency brake. Great truck. Like I said, the paint's amazing. This is owned by the same gentleman that has that amazing Woody that I took a video of about an hour ago. Class of 41. That would make this truck 84 years old as of today, September 8th, 2025. Runs great. These straight 6 Chevy motors, like a straight 8 Buick, they run and they just purr. Manual transmission gives it a little bit more oomph. Chrome's crazy. Pinstriping on the wheels is great. A lot of little detail. You see the pinstripe inside the stainless there. Pinstripe inside the silver trim. Even down here. Very nice. Let's see if we can get something underneath. It's pretty amazing underneath this thing too. Great looking truck. www.vintagecarsonline.com. Telephone number 617-513-7407. Have a great day, folks. God bless.